This is MLuck and the Big Love. Ben Walbert on camera. We are the Unordinary People. Today's subject is chainsaw art. And I started doing this a long time ago when I was a kid. And I've been doing it, I just see pieces in logs. And last one I did was a big giant head. And, artists are funny in that they could see a log and just see a shape in it. Chainsaw art's not that much different than any other type of sculpting. You would just remove empty space, blank space. So it's kind of complicated. It's a safety thing. You want to watch your hands and feet and legs and protect your eyes at all times, things like that. But so anyway, I was just going to show you a little bit about how it looks like making something. MLuck, and yeah, it's a little bit of a different kind of art we do also. So everyone have a great Saturday from the Unordinary People. Peace.